have a purpose in your life and ask for help.
Right.
And that's what you did, and you, after doing that for a long time, you achieved the title one of the top 100 black women in to watch in Canada. Like, this is so big title, but how you did that, and what was the emotions you received, like you felt during that time when you received and honored by this title?
You know what? That day I started realizing that my dream is coming true and I'm doing something meaningful.
Yeah.
So, and I said, whatever it is, I have to keep doing that. So it's not the title sometimes, it's not even the title. Recognition is just people go find and they watch you. It's like Voice of Africa. One day, the CEO didn't know me and he saw my story online and he has been following me and he came to my office one day just like that. He sent an email actually from our website and he came to the office and I said, he told me, he said, we want to nominate you as one of the torchbearers of 2019, like to recognize men and women who
Wow,
inspire.
yeah, wonderful.
So that I said, okay, I didn't know him out of nowhere. He found me from the internet.
Yeah.
So that means I'm doing something meaningful.
Someone is watching you.
Somebody watching me.
Yeah.
So the first award that I received as among one of the black women to watch in 2017, it really made me realize I have to keep going.
Yeah.
I have no other choice. Yes, I could fail, but I'm gonna start something else or wake up, stand up and start again.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I'm not scared. Since that day, actually, before that, I knew that I'm not scared of failure.
Yeah.
And it would be just part of my success. And today, there are many things that I'm doing, sometimes bad decisions, and that's gonna hurt you. Hey, so be it. I'm not scared of it. And I'm not scared of being judged that I did not do something right.
Yeah.
I'm a human being. I'm not a robot.
Yeah.
So I'm not programmed. So I do things, and especially as I said, I started. It's just my courage, my perseverance, and my vision of wanting to help others. That's why I'm in this.
Yeah.
So nothing can stop me.
Yeah, you're right. Like you said, like we are just human beings and we are gonna make many mistakes.
Absolutely.
And it's not sin to actually fall, but it's a sin to when you don't rise up from that fall.
Absolutely.